Hello students, let us continue with Maths 1, Chapter 1. Today we will be discussing the homework sums of exercise 1.1, question 2, sub-question 3. 2x minus 3y is equal to 9. 2x plus y is equal to 13. Numbering the equation, 2x minus 3y is equal to 9 is my equation 1. 2x plus y is equal to 13 is equation 2. Subtracting equation 1 from 2, 2x plus y is equal to 13 minus 2x minus 3y is equal to 9. Plus 2x minus 2x is cancelled. Y plus 3y is equal to 4y. 13 minus 9 is equal to 4. Therefore, y is equal to 4 upon 4 and y is equal to 1. Placing y is equal to 1 in equation 2, 2x plus y is equal to 13. 2x plus 1 is equal to 13. 2x is equal to 13 minus 1. 2x is equal to 12. X is equal to 12 upon 2. X is equal to 6. Therefore, the solution x comma y is equal to 6 comma 1. The fifth sum, 5x plus 2y is equal to minus 3. X plus 5y is equal to 4. Numbering the equation, 5x plus 2y is equal to minus 3 is equation 1. X plus 5y is equal to 4 is equation 2. Multiplying equation 2 by 5, I get 5x plus 25y is equal to 20. This is my equation 3. Subtracting equation 1 from 3. So I get 5x plus 25y is equal to 20 minus 5x plus 2y is equal to minus 3. Plus 5x minus 5x gets cancelled. Plus 25 minus 2y is 23y. 20 plus 3 is equal to 23. Therefore, y is equal to 23 upon 23. Y is equal to 1. Placing y is equal to 1 in equation 2, x plus 5y is equal to 4. X plus 5 into 1 is equal to 4. X plus 5 is equal to 4. Taking the numerical value to one side, x is equal to 4 minus 5. X is equal to minus 1. Therefore, the solution x comma y is equal to minus 1 comma 1. Question 7. 99x plus 101y is equal to 499. 101x plus 99y is equal to 501. Equation 1 can be written as 99x plus 101y is equal to 499, and equation 2, 101x plus 99y is equal to 501. In this sum, the coefficient of x and y variable are interchanged. So we will add equation 1 and 2 and subtract equation 1 and 2. Adding equation 1 and 2, I get 99x plus 101y is equal to 499 plus 101x plus 99y is equal to 501. 99 plus 101 is 200x plus 200y is equal to 1000. This is equation 3. Dividing equation 3 by 200, I get x plus y is equal to 5. This is the equation 4. Now subtracting equation 1 from 2, 101x plus 99y is equal to 501 minus 99x plus 101y is equal to 499. 101x minus 99x is nothing but 2x plus 99y minus 100y is 2y and 501 minus 499 is 2. The equation is 2x minus 2y is equal to 2. This is my equation 5. Dividing equation 5 by 2, I get x minus y is equal to 1. This is my equation 6. Adding equation 5 and 6, I get x plus y is equal to 5. X minus y is equal to 1. Plus y minus y gets cancelled. X plus x is 2x. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Therefore, x is equal to 6 upon 2. X is equal to 3. Placing x is equal to 3 in equation 6, x minus y is equal to 1. So we get 3 minus y is equal to 1. Minus y is equal to 1 minus 3. Minus y is equal to minus 2. Therefore, y is equal to 2. The solution x comma y is equal to 3 comma 2. Till the previous class, we have studied about the two methods, that is the elimination method and the substitution method. Like in the first video, I had explained that a linear equation always gives you a straight line when plotted on the graph paper. The ordered pair is a solution of that equation. The ordered pair represents a point on that line. In this chapter, we will be studying the third method of solving the simultaneous linear equation, that is by the graphical method. Practice set 1.2. Complete the following table to draw the graph of the equation. X plus y is equal to 3 is equation 1. X minus y is equal to 4 is my equation 2. We will solve the first equation, then followed by the second equation. First equation, x plus y is equal to 3. If x is equal to 3, then substituting x is equal to 3 in equation 1, x plus y is equal to 3. 3 plus y is equal to 3. Then y is equal to 3 minus 3. So the value of y is equal to 0. So if the value of x is 3, then the value of y is 0. Substituting y is equal to 5 in equation 1, that is x plus y is equal to 3. X plus 5 is equal to 3. Numerical value to the right hand side. X is equal to 3 minus 5. X is equal to minus 2. So x is equal to minus 2. Y is equal to 5. Substituting y is equal to 3 in equation 1. X plus y is equal to 3. X plus 3 is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 minus 3. So x is equal to 0. So when y is equal to 3, x value is 0. Let's complete the tabular column now. When x is equal to 3, the value of y is 0. When the value of y is 5, then the value of x is minus 2. Therefore, xy coordinate becomes minus 2, 5. When the value of y is 3, the value of x is 0. Now we move to the second equation. Let's move to the next equation now. X minus y is equal to 4. If substituting y is equal to 0 in equation 2, that is x minus y is equal to 4. X minus 0 is equal to 4. X is equal to 4 plus 0, and therefore x is equal to 4. So when y is equal to 0, x value is 4. Next, substituting x is equal to minus 1 in equation 2, x minus y is equal to 4. Minus 1 minus y is equal to 4. Minus y is equal to 4 plus 1. Minus y is equal to 5. Therefore, y is equal to minus 5. So, when the value of x is minus 1, the value of y is equal to minus 5. And therefore, the xy coordinate becomes minus 1, minus 5. Let's again complete the table and see. When y is equal to 0, the x value is 4. Therefore, xy coordinate becomes 4, 0. When the value of x is minus 1, the value of y is minus 5. Therefore, the xy coordinate becomes minus 1, minus 5. Next question, question 2, sub-question 1. X plus y is equal to 6. X minus y is equal to 4. Now we will solve this two equation by the graphical method. Let's take the first equation. X plus y is equal to 6 is my first equation. We have to take three different values of x and get the resultant y value. So if x is equal to 1, substituting x is equal to 1 in my first equation, that is x plus y is equal to 6. Therefore, 1 plus y is equal to 6. Y is equal to 6 minus 1. Y is equal to 5. X is equal to 1, then y is equal to 5. Next, If x is taken as 0, substituting x is equal to 0 in my first equation, x plus y is equal to 6. 0 plus y is equal to 6. Y is equal to 6 minus 0. Y is equal to 6. So if x is equal to 0, the value of y is 6. The third one, if x is taken as minus 2, substituting x is equal to minus 2 in my equation 1, x plus y is equal to 6. Minus 2 plus y is equal to 6. Y is equal to 6 plus 2. Y is equal to 8. I have taken the value of x as 1, 0, minus 2. You can take any other values. See to it that you take lesser values so that the graph can be plotted easily. Larger values may give you all a larger value of y and then it might be difficult to plot. So the tabular column becomes x. When x is 1, y is 5. So xy coordinate is 1, 5. When the value of x is 0, the resultant y value is 6 and the xy coordinate becomes 0, 6. When the value of x is minus 2, the value of y is 8 and therefore the xy coordinate is minus 2, 8. Now the next equation, x minus y is equal to 4. Again we shall take three different values of x. It is not necessary x, you can take the value of y also and then find the resultant x value. So if x is taken as 1, substituting x is equal to 1 in my equation 2, x minus y is equal to 4. 1 minus y is equal to 4. Minus y is equal to 4 minus 1. Y is equal to minus 3. So when the value of x is 1, the value of y is minus 3. Second, if x is taken as 0, substituting x is 0 in equation x minus y is equal to 4. 0 minus y is equal to 4. Minus y is equal to 4 minus 0. Minus y is equal to 4. Moving the sign to the next right hand side, y is equal to minus 4. So when the value of x is 0, the value of y is minus 4. Third one, if x is taken as minus 2, substituting x is equal to minus 2 in equation x minus y is equal to 4. Minus 2 minus y is equal to 4. Minus y is equal to 4 plus 2. Minus y is equal to 6. Y is equal to minus 6. So the value of all the three are, when x is 1, y is minus 3. So xy coordinate is 1, minus 3. When the value of x is taken as 0, the value of y is minus 4. So xy coordinate is 0, minus 4. When the value of x is taken as minus 2, the value of y is minus 6 and therefore the xy coordinate is minus 2, minus 6. Now we shall plot both the equation on the graph paper. Now let's plot the graph, y-axis, x-axis and the coordinate points as you can see in the picture. The first equation, x plus y is equal to 6. The values which we found out. So the first value is 1, 5. So on the x-axis, the point is 1 and on the y-axis the point is 5. So the intersection 1, 5. Next value 0, 6. So on the x-axis the value is 0 and on the y-axis it is 6. So the point lies on the y-axis, that is 6, 0, 6. Third one, -2, 8. -2 on my x-axis, 8 on my y-axis. So the coordinate point is -2, 8. Now I will be drawing a line passing through these 3 points. So when I draw the line, this red color line represents the equation x plus y is equal to 6. Now we shall move to the next equation. X minus y is equal to 4. So the values obtained were the first value 1 comma minus 3, 1 on my x-axis, minus 3 on my y-axis. So the coordinate point is 1 comma minus 3. Next point 0 comma minus 4. X value is 0, y value is minus 4. So the coordinate point lies on my y-axis, that is 0 comma minus 4. Third value -2 comma -6, -2 on my x-axis, -6 on my y-axis. So the intersection of the coordinate point is -2, -6. Now I will be drawing a line passing through the 3 points. So when I draw, I get this green color line. This green color line represents equation x minus y is equal to 4. So the two equation line x plus y is equal to 6 and x minus y is equal to 4 intersect at a single point. If you can see on the graph, it is intersecting at a single point. When the single point is plotted against the x and y axis, I get two values, one value of x and one value of y. So the coordinate point is 5, 1. So the two lines are intersecting at 5, 1. 5, 1 is the solution of both the equation, that x plus y is equal to 6 and x minus y is equal to 4. So the solution for x plus y is equal to 6 and x minus y is equal to 4 is x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 1. The second question I want you all to solve on your own, and in the next video we shall discuss about it. Question number 3. X plus y is equal to 0. 2x minus y is equal to 9. Taking equation 1, x plus y is equal to 0 is equation 1. If x is taken as 1, substituting x is equal to 1 in equation x plus y is equal to 0. So 1 plus y is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 minus 1. So y is equal to minus 1. So when the value of x is 1, the value of y is minus 1. Next, if the value of x is taken as minus 1, x plus y is equal to 0, minus 1 plus y is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 plus 1, therefore y is equal to 1. So when the value of x is equal to minus 1, the corresponding y value is 1. Third one, if the value of x is taken as 2, substituting x is equal to 2 in equation 1, x plus y is equal to 0. So 2 plus y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0 minus 2, and therefore the value of y is equal to minus 2. So when the value of x is 2, the value of y is minus 2. When the value of x is 1, the value of y is minus 1, and therefore the xy coordinate is 1, comma minus 1. If the value of x is taken as minus 1, the value of y is 1, and therefore the xy coordinate is minus 1, comma 1. If the value of x is taken as 2, then the resultant y is minus 2, and therefore the xy coordinate is 2, comma minus 2. Move with the next equation. 2x minus y is equal to 9. If the value of x is taken as 1, substituting x is equal to 1 in equation 2x minus y is equal to 9. 2 into 1 minus y is equal to 9. 2 minus y is equal to 9. Minus y is equal to 9 minus 2. Minus y is equal to 7. Y is equal to minus 7. Next, if x is taken as 0, substituting x is equal to 0 in equation 2x minus y is equal to 9. 2 into 0 minus y is equal to 9. 0 minus y is equal to 9. Minus y is equal to 9 minus 0. Minus y is equal to 9. Y is equal to minus 9. If x is taken as 2, substituting x is equal to 2 in equation 2x minus y is equal to 9. 2 into 2 minus y is equal to 9. 4 minus y is equal to 9. Minus y is equal to 9 minus 4. Minus y is equal to 5. Y is equal to minus 5. So when the value of x is taken as 1, the resultant y is minus 7. So my xy coordinate is 1, comma minus 7. If the value of x is taken as 0, the resultant y value is minus 9, and the xy coordinate is 0, comma minus 9. If the value of x is taken as 2, the y value is minus 5, and therefore the xy coordinate is 2, comma minus 5. Now let's plot the graph, x-axis and y-axis. So the first equation, x plus y is equal to 0. The values obtained. First value 1, comma minus 1. On the x-axis the value is 1, and on the y-axis the value is minus 1. So the point obtained here 1, comma minus 1. Next one, minus 1, comma 1. The value of x is minus 1 and the value of y is 1. So the coordinate point minus 1, comma 1. Third one, 2, comma minus 2. X value is 2, y value is minus 2. So the coordinate point is 2, comma minus 2. I'll be drawing a line passing through the 3 points. So when I draw, I get this line. This line represents equation x plus y is equal to 0. Now let's move to the second equation. 2x minus y is equal to 9. So the values obtained were First value 1 comma minus 7, x value is 1, y value is minus 7. So 1 comma minus 7, the coordinate point is obtained for 1 comma minus 7. Next one 0 comma minus 9, x value is 0, y value is minus 9. So this point lies on my y axis, that is 0 comma minus 9. Third one 2 comma minus 5, x value is 2, y value is minus 5. So the coordinate point is 2 comma minus 5. I'll be drawing a line passing through these 3 points. So when I draw, I get green color line representing the equation 2x minus y is equal to 9. The two equations intersect at a single point. When I draw this intersection across my x and y axis, the coordinate point obtained is 3 comma minus 3. So 3 comma minus 3 is the intersection of the two equations x plus y is equal to 0 and 2x minus y is equal to 9. 3 comma minus 3 will satisfy my both equation x plus y is equal to 0 and 2x minus y is equal to 9. So the solution of the given equation x plus y is equal to 0 and 2x minus y is equal to 9 is x is equal to 0 and y is equal to minus 3.